In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Tidio with Gmail. This integration allows you to manage your email communications seamlessly within Tidio's platform, making your workflow more efficient. Alright, let's begin by navigating to the Tidio dashboard. This is your main control hub within Tidio, and it's where you'll set up all of your integrations. Once you're on the dashboard, look for the Settings section. Sometimes, this might be labeled as Channels, depending on the specific plan or version of Tidio you have. So, if you don't see settings right away, don't worry. Give Channels a quick check as well. Once you're in the Settings or Channels section, look for the Mailbox tab. This is where you can manage your email settings. Click the Connect Mailbox button, which will initiate the process of linking your email to Tidio. A pop-up will appear, giving you the option to choose which type of mailbox service you want to connect. Here, you'll select Gmail. Tidio has made this really simple by offering a dedicated Gmail account integration. This means the process should be smooth and quick, avoiding unnecessary complications. At this point, you'll be asked to sign in to your Gmail account. If you've already signed in to one or more Gmail accounts in your browser, you can simply choose the one you want to connect. Follow the usual Google authentication process, often referred to as OAuth or Auth flow. During this step, Google will ask you to grant certain permissions to Tidio. These permissions are necessary for Tidio to access your emails and integrate them into its system. Don't worry, this is standard procedure, and Tidio is a secure platform that prioritizes user privacy. Simply agree to the permissions, and you should be all set. Once you've gone through the sign-in and permission process, your Gmail account will show up in your Tidio mailbox list. The integration is successful if it's marked as verified or listed as active. Once this confirmation appears, it means everything's in place, and you're good to go. From here forward, any emails sent to that specific Gmail account will show up as tickets within Tidio's inbox or ticketing system. This is incredibly helpful for keeping all of your customer interactions in one place, simplifying the process of managing and responding to inquiries or issues. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully connected your Gmail account to Tidio, streamlining your communication channels. This integration is a powerful tool for managing client communications and helps ensure you stay on top of every email, right alongside your chat interactions. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope this guide has made the process clear and straightforward for you. Happy connecting!